Welcome to JL Electronic Presentation UK Studio. Hello, dear listeners. Today, we want to introduce you to a truly life-changing product for pet owners. The Shark Anti-Hair Wrap Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, IZ252UKT. Are you a pet owner who loves your furry friends? If so, this is an absolute game changer for you. This cordless vacuum comes with unique anti-hair wrap technology, effortlessly tackling pet hair on floors, sofas, you name it. The best part? You can now get it at a whopping 45% off the original price. But hurry, this is a limited time offer, so don't miss out. Want to enjoy a clean, pet-free home? Click the link below and head to Amazon to purchase the Shark Anti-Hair Wrap Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, IZ252UKT, today. Stop struggling with pet hair. Take action now and get this amazing vacuum to make your home cleaner and healthier. Click the link https://amzn.com/3OQBZS8 to grab this deal. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting reviews. See you next time.